Hello, good morning. My name is Stephanie Odegaard. I'm from New York, from the United States. And I have been experiencing Ayurvedic medicine in several different places in India and even in the United States for many years because I strongly believe in it and I've always had some improvement with it. However, at this stage of my life, I need help with my short-term memory and also just knowing what the best foods are for me to eat and how much exercise to do, and I'm quite active. And so I came here because I've heard a lot about this center, Keraliya Ayurvedic Center in Udaipur. So as I said, after finishing many other treatments, I came here and now I'm getting a massage once a week here and also taking the medicines that they have been prescribing for me. And I have to say that I've been quite improved since I've been coming here. I feel stronger and brighter, and I think my weight is certainly under control, and I feel that I can become a little bit more active again. I'm actually 73 years old, almost 74, and as I said, I've been doing following Ayurveda treatments for many years, and I would certainly come back here.